Yes, yes. Do you see this? I'm just like, hey y'all, Makeup My Passion here. Well, Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion, here with you guys. I know y'all are like, bitch, where you been? I know, I know, I know. Um, I'm first of all happy to be back and bringing you guys some serious slayage. Serious slayage, okay? First of all, from the hat, the cute little hat, to just the eye, but we'll get there. But anyway, um, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are like, why haven't you uploaded in so long? So I thought this would be the perfect time to just kind of get that out of the way, kind of explain where I've been, why I've been so MIA. I mean, I have still, of course, been posting Insta videos and things like that, but I haven't posted anything on YouTube. And there is a reason why. So let's go ahead and just. She was looking a little. Sorry. She was looking a little oily. Anyway, no, it's because it kept getting stuck to my gloss. But let's just go ahead and jump into just Jessica. Where have you been? Okay, so why I haven't uploaded in almost a year. Why I haven't uploaded in almost a year has actually been because I needed to grow. Point blank and the period. 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 I honestly really needed to grow. And there was a lot of improvements that I wanted to do and make and bring to my channel. And I know it's very important to just get started on YouTube, and it's really important to stay consistent. And this I promise to do from here on out. However, I needed to grow and learn some things that I didn't know, and just kind of upgrade what it is that I call myself putting my name on and wanting to bring to people and wanting to present. And I'm a perfectionist, whoa, rogue, eyelash. I'm a perfectionist to my core. I've been watching YouTube for the past 10 years, okay? 10 years. And I've watched how it's changed and how it's grown, and I've always been so scared to get into it. I never thought I was quote unquote good enough, and I needed to learn. And in some instances, I kind of feel like that is true. There was a lot of growing that I needed to do before I felt like I could bring what I wanted to bring to this channel. There's a lot of growing that I still need to do. So, all in all, to make a long story short, to not make this intro hella long, I just needed to simply grow. I needed to be in a better place, a mental space, and just have certain things that I want when uploading onto my channel. Do I have everything that I want? No. But am I taking baby steps, and am I seeing the growth that I want to see? Absolutely. So that's why, all in all, I've been gone for so long. But I promise not to do that to y'all no more. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. And as you can see, we had a few little improvements, by the way, in comparison to that first video. Go ahead and take a look at that. Y'all understand. Y'all understand. But anyway, I did get some better lighting, which was super important to me because lighting, I don't know, even my lighting now, it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a better start than where she was. Okay, so just little improvements like that is the type of things that I want to bring to this channel, and better quality and higher quality, and the type of videos that I like to watch, and some of the YouTubers that I look up to, and that's what I aspire to get to, and that's why I kind of, like I said, needed that bit of growth. And now I feel like I'm in a better place and I have that growth. So that's where she been. I ain't going nowhere. I'll be consistent now. All right, so now let's get into this hair beat. Can we talk about this beat, and can we talk about this hair? Okay, so real quick, specs on the hair. This hair is, oh, I'm a woman transformed, by the way, y'all. I've been introduced to wigs. I don't know where I've been, but I'm found. I'm found. 110%. I'm found. This wig is actually from Sam's Beauty. It's a Bobbi Boss Swiss Lace wig. This is the Bobbi Boss Swiss Lace Premium Synthetic Hair, and the name VERA. And of course, I just got it in 1B. I really, honestly, she will be in weekly rotation. I plan on ordering more of Miss VERA because I likes her. She is cute, okay? Like, I remember I kept getting like weaves and different bobs and stuff, and they were cute. I would never say that they're not, but it was never like this. This is how I kind of wanted it, like that just super short, almost kind of giving me Demi Moore 90s vibes. This is, yes. So it's a side part with the Swiss lace. I cut the lace in the front. This was my first time cutting lace and installing lace. Don't y'all clock me for my hairline right now. It is 9 o'clock at night. I am going nowhere. So I have had this on all day at work. So it's not perfect. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. So I just pretty much lay down my lace here that I've cut with my Gots to Be spray. If you guys want to see how I did it, I did a small little Insta video showing exactly how I cut the lace and how I glue it down, so on and so forth, or whatever. But I am extremely satisfied. Sam's Beauty, y'all got a customer in me, okay? I will be buying more of Miss Vera and other ones that I have seen on the site that I am just like. So far, all the wigs that I've tried from Sam's Beauty, the first two that I tried were actually gifts, and I was quite surprised. That's what kind of like struck my interest about this site, and I've been kind of hooked ever since. So y'all stay tuned, because we'll be the Mad Hatter on this channel, switching them out, honey. Just saying. Alrighty, so now let's get into this makeup. Let's get into this makeup, okay? As you can see, it is a very bold eye. A very bold eye, and I am here for every minute of it. Every minute of it. So, today I am actually, this is my first impressions using the McGrath Mothership 5 palette. This too was a gift, and shout out, I have to do this, shout out to my mom. My mother got me this palette, and I am so grateful. We all know she is a pretty queen. She is not a cheap palette at all, okay? Shout out to my mom. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for getting this for me and believing in me, most importantly. That, above all, is the biggest gift I could ever ask for, so thank you so much for that. But this palette, honey, is my first impressions. I was actually scared to use it. I don't know. I was so intimidated, like, because it's such a gorgeous palette. So this is my first impressions. I just freestyled it. I didn't even know what I was doing. I wanted to do another fall eye, but this is what I gave birth to. Honestly, so far, well, as you guys will see in this video, this palette is too legit to quit. Okay, that was a creepy wave. Anyway, just kidding. Alrighty, so I'm starting with the bare face. I'm going to be using the Hangover RX primer to be able to prime my face. We're going to get that nice and slathered on. Then I'm going to be doing my brows off camera using the NYX brow gel, waterproof brow gel. And then we about to get into this mecca here, this palette. First of all, can we address this box and how bomb this box is? I swear I'm going to be using it as some type of artwork somewhere on my vanity. I'm just saying. I already have my eyes primed. I used my Too Faced Multi-Sculpt Concealer to prime my eyes, and I also put a little bit of Scotch tape to get that, you know, that little sharp little line, that sharp little wing, you know, we're going to put on there real quick. This palette is so pretty. Just even holding it is such a just good quality, heavy palette. Yes, I'm excited. So excited. All right, so we're going to jump right into the eyes. Coming into the crease, and we're using the shade from the palette called Entrapment. It's like a mauve kind of shade. I just decided to tell you guys what I use because I wasn't able to get all, like, to be able to show you just from the palette, but it's something I will definitely be working on, and everything will be down in the description bar. So yeah, check that out. Next, I'm going to do the brown shadow liner, and in that moment, I was so shook. I used the shade Disobedient. That has to be the most chocolatiest, pigmented brown shade ever in life, darling. Oh, and here I come in with the shade Astral Luna Gold. This shade had me shook. This shade had me so shook. I literally had to sit the palette down for a second and just take a breath. It is so gorgeous. Like, it gives me kind of like true gold with almost kind of like a hint of green in there. This shade was the business. So I placed that with my finger just all over the lid, and I'm hoping I'm saying that name right. I think Astral Luna Gold is the name of it. And I'm just going in, I'm touching up the eyes, I'm adding a little bit more brown to the crease. I'm also going in with that transition shade that we use in Entrapment and just making this look come together. Okay, next we're gonna peel off the tape and have that sharp line. Y'all see that? You see how sharp that is? You could cut somebody. Yes. And here I'm just going in with my foundation routine. I'm using, of course, my favorite Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. This is bae. This is my favorite foundation to date, okay? Please excuse the random dancing. I was listening to music while filming, and I'm just random like that. But anyway, I'm going back in and just touching up the eyes a little bit, just making that brown liner just even more chocolatey smooth. And then next we're going to be just jumping into concealer. I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer from Too Faced as well in the shade Chestnut. This is my favorite concealer. Like, honestly, these two are going to just be in regular rotation, and these will just be a regular part of my life because they have been there for me through thick and thin. Okay, so we're just going to blend that out really, really good, make it nice and seamless. And then we're going to set that using the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder in dark. We're gonna pop that under the eyes like so. Then come in with our CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer and ebony bronze and get her nice and chiseled. We're gonna do a skosh of reverse contouring, but not too much, just a skosh, just to kind of make those cheekbones look a little bit higher than what they really are. You know. Y'all know, that's why y'all here, right? Come on. We're almost done with the face. I set it using that Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, but I used the shade Deep all over my face. Now I'm smudging in that chocolate brown disobedient shade from that Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette. And then in the inner tear duct, I brought in this shade called Skin Shell Divine Glow. That's what I popped in that inner tear duct. I threw on some lashes real quick. This is coming together. Got the blush going, and we can't forget the highlight, of course. That Artist Couture LeBron James always is the plug-in comes through, okay? So next will be the lips. For the lips, I'm using the lip liner from Morphe called Bar, which is like a chocolate brown. Then I came in with Chai from Colourpop, and then I popped a little Max Spice lip gloss on top. And she was looking real juicy. So once again, guys, here's the specs for the hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys love this video. I love the hair, I love the palette, and I'm back. Like, I'm back. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys. Bye, y'all.